So number 44 says that the points lie in the standard coordinate plane. Point D lies somewhere on EF such that the length of EF is 4 times the length of DE. So D is somewhere on this line, all right? But it's small enough that EF is 4 times the length of D and E. Okay, so we know it's probably going to be closer to this end of our line here. All right, so where is that going to actually be? So a couple things that we need to do. My way of thinking about this is I need to find the actual distance of EF. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a right triangle here. So this is at 6, this is at 14. So the difference between these two is 8. And this is 6 to 12, so that's 6. So I'm going to find the length of EF, all right? The hypotenuse on my right triangle. So 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to my C squared. All right, so we have 64 plus 36 is equal to C squared. And what does that give me? 100 is equal to C squared. So C is equal to 10. So this whole distance here is equal to 10. All right. So what I need to do, that whole thing, 10, is 4 times the distance of just DE. Excuse me, DE. So I need to figure out where DE actually needs to be. All right, and let's kind of just go through and test some of these. So 7, 5 would be right there. All right, and I think a general look at this is going to tell you that that's way too small. I can definitely fit 4 of those on this line. So that one's not going to be it. All right, let's look at the very next one. Okay, so that is 8, 6. So here's 8 and 6. Okay, so that one's double the one that we had before. So this one looks a little bit closer. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That looks like it might work. All right, I'm going to keep that one kind of in the back of my mind. The next one is 8 and 8. So here's 8, but then 8 and 8 would put me way up there. So that's definitely not going to work. All right, 10, 8 is more in the middle. So that's definitely not going to work. So I think we found our consensus here at 8, 6 is going to be the one that is 4 times the length of DE. And that is going to be your answer, which is answer choice G.